Tips, of course, and we know to do that, unfortunately, today, and we've been doing it for a while now, and we continue through the whole summer like that. We have that hazy, light, pale blue kind of look to the sky, but today we actually do have more cumulus clouds building, and so that might actually keep our temperatures down. We're about a degree or two lower, in fact, in some spots today, thanks to a few more clouds, and we also have a little higher rain chance than this time yesterday, I should point out. Our feels like temperature is still right there at 100 to about 105. We've been expecting that all week this week, and it does look like our feels like temperatures through today will be hovering there even this evening in the 90s to lower triple digits and then dropping off overnight. And we have that air quality alert. Once again, we were thinking with the wind shift today, the Saharan dust particles that have kind of been trapped here might begin to disperse a little bit out to the west, but for now we are still looking at that Saharan dust enough to prompt yet another day, third day in a row for those air quality alerts. And we will see about tomorrow. At this point, the DEQ says maybe tomorrow it will be more moderate and will not be as bad. But for now, we have that air quality alert until midnight. And part of that, of course, is the dust and also the high pressure. We have the downward sinking, stable air in place. When air sinks, of course, it also contributes to heat. It compresses and warms up, and there's also less rain to cool us off. And then the stagnant air, it's not moving a lot. There's no wind kind of traversing the area from west to east or anything like that very much right now. So that can lead to those air quality issues. So that's the pattern we're in this week. We've been looking at this for a couple days now and still pretty quiet at this point on radar, although there are a few storms offshore south of Mississippi and the Mississippi Sound areas. Here are the high pressure centers, and we may actually see a little bit of rain popping up. Not much probably, but just a bit this afternoon. So that's why we still have about a 20 to 30% chance of rain in this mainly afternoon, late afternoon hours. Highs today about 92 or 93, I think, just like they have been in that range the past several days. And again, our winds from the south and maybe becoming a bit more southeasterly as we head into this evening. Tonight, low temperatures in the 70s, muggy and mostly clear night with our winds quite light. Here's our high resolution model showing a little bit of kind of spotty rain popping up this afternoon. Not everywhere, but there will be at least a chance for a little bit of that. Even though the upper high is there, sometimes we can still get a couple of storms forming at the surface. They probably won't last very long though. 6 p.m. looks like mostly kind of quiet. A start to the evening, as anything that does flare up should really not last very long and should end as we head into the evening, and this takes us through tonight. Now tomorrow we're looking for a chance for rain once again, and it looks like a little higher chance perhaps. Tomorrow and Thursday we may have a little disturbance kind of helping to trigger a few of those showers and storms, but this has been the big player. This is why we're feeling so hot and humid. This weekend, it starts to retreat. The big high center off to the northwest a little bit, but builds right back over us for Father's Day and Monday. So while it's off to the northwest, we have a little higher chance for rain, still not very high. And then by Sunday and Monday, it drops off again. Now in the tropics, you can see all the activity right now with rain and moisture is kind of clustered around Central America. Over in the eastern Pacific, there's Category 1 Hurricane Blas moving out, of course, farther away from Mexico. Another spot with a decent chance to develop in the next couple of days. But of course, we're more concerned about what's in the Atlantic, but we're not looking at any threats for our area. In fact, even that spot we've been watching off the coasts of Nicaragua and Honduras now has an even lower chance of developing compared to yesterday, only about a 30% chance. And we've been saying it's going to hug land really closely, not get near the U.S. It will kind of be in this general area. And again, a low chance of actually turning into a depression or storm. But we'll continue to track it. Our 7-day forecast shows that hot, dry trend, of course, continuing, and an even drier forecast, I think, once that high rebuilds over us Sunday and Monday. We'll be right back.